Hello friends, this is Krishnanand Singh, your mentor, coach, and in this video, many of you have asked me these questions regarding COVID test. So NIFT exam is on your head and you're watching this video now, so there are a lot of things to talk, but I would like to talk about the seriousness, importance of the COVID test, how to get it done, kya hota hai, because recently even I went for this test. It's a very easy process. So maybe few of you are staying in such a place where get it done this test is maybe a challenging, and few of you are maybe next to your doorstep. You can get it done. Make sure stay safe while going for this test. Also, avoid few of the things which I'll tell you in this video. So let's start. Listen these all points very carefully. Make sure you share this video with your friends, because many of you have contacted me, you have messaged us on different platforms, and many of you are a student as well asking this question. So we come up with all this a doubt. We have make down the list of your doubt and the question, kind of a primary research we have get it done, and now I'll answer all that such doubt answer. Let's start with the number one, which is what kind of the test you should go for. So rapid, you get the very quick results, so do not go for the rapid one. So if you will go for a rapid, it's normally a group of the people, you all know. I don't think so I need to explain these things. So idea of the rapid test is moreover okay, you should take a precaution, you should stay in a home, okay, so that you should avoid. So rapid test result will come quickly, but better you should not go for this, because that is not a final result. So directly when you will go for, so always in a hospitals, be it government or private, they will suggest you for the rapid, because they don't know what is the requirement. You should say that this is not your requirement. When we should go for the test, if you are not going for the rapid one, the result may take time, it's take at least 2 days to come. So sometime it's 2 days, or sometime it's in a next day by evening. So I will prefer you to take a test prior. So whenever you are watching my video, immediately you go for this test, because the test report you have to carry for your exams. Better you carry this. And I'll tell you some of the experiences this year. It is the test you have to carry your this report. Also you should have a COVID test report. Normally students sometimes forget to carry their admit card also. Yes, that's happened. Few of you because of the exam anxiety, tension, all this the reason is. Another, I have seen some cases people do not carry the valid identity proof, that is the Aadhaar card. So your Aadhaar or your school ID or your test, all this thing you must carry for the exam. Keep it very, very important list, because if you may forget one pencil, you can carry, you can borrow, but this you cannot. So the important documents should be there in your list, it should be in your bucket. और the test related, do not keep any doubt जो अच्छा क्या ये test मुझे फॉर्म भरने के टाइम में करवाना था और एग्जाम और इस टाइम में, you have to get it done now. Do not look for the date when watching this video. Immediately you go for this test. You do not need to count even date also कितने दिन रह गए exam के, So that's it from this video. If you still having any doubt, you can ask me here in the comment box on our Instagram. And do not forget to download the Ignite India app on your Play Store, because you will get a many mock paper which you can write, and you can get the test series over there for your NIFT entrance exam, be it you are writing BDES, MDES, MFT, whatever exam you are going to write for. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this.